virtual field day event, the Spoon and Egg Relay. Mrs. White said, "Try the egg and spoon relay." What I heard was, "Wonder what that would look like from the egg's point of view." First, I marked my starting point, and then I'm going to measure from there 45 feet away from my turnaround point. And welcome to the eggs world. All right, here we go. Let's go. No big deal. Pick it up, Mrs. White said. Go from there. No. Poor egg. Nope. I made it. Woohoo! 26 seconds! Just kidding. That's a pretty slow time. You'll have no problem beating that one. But for now, that's what we're going to work with for the next part. Answer these questions in your math journal. In the egg and spoon relay, it took me 26 seconds to run 90 feet. If I ran at the same speed the whole time, how long did it take me to run 45 feet? Press pause and then answer in your math journal. Don't forget to include the answer, the work you used to get to that answer, and an explanation of your thinking. Next question. How long in minutes and seconds will it take me to run the whole course, that's there and back, 5 times? To run the whole 90-foot course 5 times. Answer in your journal. And the last question. Sheila, my arch nemesis, ran the 90-foot course 4 times. It took her 1 minute and 36 seconds. Was her time faster than mine? Answer in your journal. And here are the answers. Answer to the first question. How long did it take me to run 45 feet or just half the course if I ran at the same rate the whole time? It would take me 13 seconds to run 45 feet or just half the course because that was half the course. So if it took 26 seconds to go there and back, it must have taken me 13 seconds to just go there, to just go one way. Question 2. How long in minutes and seconds will it take me to run the course 5 times? Well, this is how I did it. It took me 26 seconds to run the course once. So 26 times 5 would take 130 seconds. And there are 60 seconds in every minute. So 130 seconds would be enough seconds to make 2 minutes, because that would take 120 seconds. And then I had 130 seconds. So it was enough to make 2 minutes. And then I had 10 seconds left over. It would take me 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And the last question. Was Sheila faster than me? Well, I decided to change both of our times over to seconds so I could compare. You can't compare until they're changed over to the same thing. So I changed them both to seconds. And my time was 26 seconds times 4 runs. So that's 104 seconds for me. And Sheila's time was 1 minute 36 seconds. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds. I changed it over to seconds. And then that's 60 seconds plus 36 more seconds for a total of 96 seconds. After I changed them over to seconds, it was really easy to compare my 104 seconds to Sheila's 96 seconds. Oh, you got the victory this time, Sheila, but just wait until we meet again. And until we meet again, think happy math thoughts. See you next time.